Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. In today's video we are going over week number 3 of Ulta's 21 days of beauty. I have a lot less from this week, so I'll be asking for more of your input, but I've also made some observations that I think you will enjoy in this video. So let's hop right into it. On Sunday, March 31st, we have Urban Decay's eyeshadows and Moon Dust eyeshadows will be $10 to $11, regularly $20 to $22. Last time they had this deal, I was actually surprised by how quickly certain shades were going. It seemed like people were more into this than I thought that they would be. So if there is one that you're eyeing, I would grab it quickly. I typically pass just because I have so many shadows and palettes, and I don't mind opening multiple eyeshadow palettes, but I know that a lot of people enjoy this particular deal. We have 50% off the Origins Travel and Trial Kit, and you guys, this is an incredible value. I'm definitely getting this. This is a $56 value, will be $14.75, and you get the full size of their ginseng eye cream. I love this eye cream. It's got a little bit of a color correcting aspect to it. It's kind of peachy pink, so when you apply it under your eyes, if you do have any discoloration, any circles, any blue, purple under your eyes, it helps to cancel that out. And that is a half-ounce size. It'll last you a good time, plus you get to sample 3 other items in here. It's a fantastic deal. Over 50% off the Sugar Rush by Tarte Preppy Precision Liner. This will be $7, and I noticed that Ulta cut us off on the multiplier. I would have gone for it if we had a 5x multiplier on this day, but it's over. I'm gonna pass on this. They're saying this is an ultra skinny gel eyeliner for the waterline, tight lining, but it does not have good reviews, so just know that. 50% off the Exuviance Age Reverse Introductory Kit, $108 value for $40. I didn't try anything from this particular set in my Exuviance trial, so let me know if you guys have tried any of those. All right, Monday, April 1st, this should be a Platinum Perks Day as long as Ulta isn't planning an April Fool's prank. You better not. 50% off the Laura Geller Spackle. This will be between $11.50 and $16. These are, oh, mine is really getting gnarly looking. These are really nice primers. They are huge. You get 2 ounces in these, which is double the size of regular primers, hence why they last so long. This is the moisturizing one, definitely the nicest for dry skin. These are really great. I was also looking at the mist, and it really does have very nice ingredients. Really, really tempting. I guess if you're low on any kind of mist, I would go for that. That's a nice formula. 50% off the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Collection. Somebody just asked me about this the other day. So I tried the old Cold Plasma. Apparently it's been reformulated so it doesn't smell as strongly as it used to. Wow. It's like opening a jar of fish, or at least it was. I have not had the courage to try these products since that experience, so let me know if you've tried the Cold Plasma Plus. We have a Diamond Platinum exclusive of 50% off the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a very classic moisturizer. I hear that the formula has changed though, sometime in 2018 if I'm correct. We have quite a collection of K-Beauty in here, including Too Cool for School, IPKN, and Touch and Soul. So I have tried the Glossy Blaster Tint. I got this as a sample. It is really nice. It's definitely a more intense color than I expected a tint to be. And then I have the Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. This is the shade Maria. It is really pretty. It is really pretty. This is a really long list and worth taking a look at. It's got, let's see, the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. I actually might go for this Big Apple Sun Cream SPF 50. Ooh, yes, that is a Korean sunscreen. I am probably gonna grab that. That's exciting. So let me know if there's any hidden gems that I real quickly skipped over there. Tuesday, April 2nd, all 3 of the original Lime Crime Venus palettes will be $19. So I'm wearing the Venus 3 today. I love this palette. I don't know why this is the least liked of all of them. Actually, I kind of do know why. Both of these, the 1 and 2, are very, very high impact. The 2 gives you this really, really unique, at the time, before subculture, color scheme, very grungy, really great palette. Venus 1 is a really, really beautiful palette. I don't find that it's quite the same as Modern Renaissance. I think I like it a lot better, but that's because I love this formula. It's hard pressed, but it blends beautifully. Oh, the quality of these is incredible. And then I will say the limit with the Venus 3 is that you only get a very specific color scheme. Now, I still like it. I love pink and purple. I love these mattes in here. They blend out beautifully. I'm not sure how this will be on deeper skin tones. That's definitely a concern I have that I don't have with the other two. I'm just not sure. It's hard to guess as a person with lighter skin, but I do really like it. I can tell you that I'm happy that I got it. I am going to talk myself out of the white peach because I realized the colors that I love are kind of right here. Really and truly though, if you've never tried Lime Crime's formula, I highly, highly recommend it. We also have 50% off the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad, so if you're looking for a more gentle peel and you have more sensitive skin, this right here is what I would recommend to you. 50% off the Estee Lauder Day Wear Cream SPF 15. This is nice. I wish that if it was an anti-aging moisturizer, it had a little bit higher of an SPF, but I know not everybody feels that way. Then we have 50% off the DermaDoctor Kadaku C High Potency Evening Oil. I've talked about this a lot. This has been on sale a lot. I've never gone for it because its regular price is $74. It's still pretty pricey at $37. But do let me know if you've tried it or anything from the brand, and if you enjoy it. I've yet to try anything from that brand. Talked about them a lot. Wednesday, April 3rd, we have 50% off the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I love this powder. I swear by it. It's very finely milled. It doesn't add coverage, so if that's a concern, I wouldn't pick this one, but personally I prefer that. This will be $17.50. It is talc free, by the way. Really nice powder. 50% off the Philosophy Ultimate Miracle Worker SPF 30. See, that's more of the SPF that I would recommend if you're getting your SPF from a daily moisturizer. Still, I haven't tried that, so please comment if you have. 50% off the Boscia Botanical Besties kit. This will be $22.50. Okay, so funny enough, I actually bought a full size of the Makeup Breakup cleansing oil. I realized I actually kind of love it. So this is a set that this contains that in the travel size, the 1.7 ounce size, and the detoxifying black cleanser in the 1.7 ounce size. Also a great product, very warming on the skin. I've not tried the luminizing black mask or the charcoal pore pudding, but I'd still say it's a really nice kit for $22.50 if you want to sample the brand. 50% off the Better Skin Co. Miracle Cream and Lava Magic. I believe this is a brand new brand to Ulta. I can't remember when I saw this pop up first, but seems to have pretty good reviews. Give me a comment if you guys have tried this. Skin Cleansing Volcanic Lava from France. I am intrigued. 50% off the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. This was my favorite product that I tried from Mamonde. I really didn't overall like the brand, but I did like this. That said, I transferred it over to a spray bottle, so I don't have the bottle to show you anymore. I like it so much better that way. I wish this came in a sprayer. 50% off the Meaningful Beauty Creme de Serum. This will be $32.50. Last time I asked about this brand, I got really, really mixed responses, so let me know if that is a brand that interests you guys or if you've tried this product. 50% off the Tula Hydrating Day and Night Cream. This will be $26 with probiotics. I'm going to talk more about probiotics and skincare eventually, but I'm not there yet. So there's another one for you guys to comment on if you have tried it. Thursday, April 4th, we have 50% off the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint and Glossy Lip Paint. These will be $10. I've seen this on sale a lot. Still have never gone for a full size. Eventually. Well, maybe. Actually, I haven't bought Tarte in ages. 50% off Exuviance Age Reverse Eye Contour. That will be $39.50. So sorry, this is just a week I haven't tried a lot. 50% off the Buxom palettes. These will be $20. I've heard a lot of good things about Buxom's eyeshadows. They're very neutral, so I guess that's the real reason I've never picked one up, but they are supposed to be primer infused, supposed to be, you know, a very easy to work with formula. And then we have a just added 50% off It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizing Super Cream. This will be $24. This is a good seller. A lot of people do enjoy this. $24 is a great price. Not my personal favorite, but I liked it. It was okay. Lots of ingredients in there though. If you have sensitive skin, make sure you take a look at the ingredients list and make sure that nothing in there is going to irritate your skin. Friday, April 5th, we have 50% off the Too Faced bronzers. These will be $15. I haven't tried the newer formulations. I have tried the older ones. Are they different at all if anyone's compared them? 50% off the Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. This will be $22.50. Somehow I've still never tried this. I've tried a lot of vitamin C serums. I feel, maybe I haven't. But then The Ordinary has one too, so I don't know. Is anybody a devoted Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum fan? 50% off Max Prep and Prime Skin. Now, I have tried this one. This is a primer that has a little bit of a yellow tint to it. It's a little bit more of a moisturizing primer than a silicone primer, but you can still feel that it is a silicone primer. They claim that it fades redness. That really just is that yellow tone to it. I think it's okay. It's something that I never purchased at full size and probably won't, but I'm glad I tried it. 50% off the Strivectin Wrinkle Recode Line Transforming Melting Serum. So this will be $44.50. This is a very thick serum, probably too thick for me. I didn't really love it, but I still respect it because I really do think this is going to be a very impacting serum. This is a serum where water is like the 5th ingredient on this list. You get a lot of bang for your buck, but it's also very thick. So maybe if you're looking for an anti-aging night serum, that might actually be a really nice option. And then finally, Saturday, April 6th, we have the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara and Liner. Both of these will be $12. The mascara is definitely a more wet formula. I like the brush. It's a thinner brush, which kind of means you have a little more control over it, which I think is a good thing in a more wet formula. Not my absolute favorite mascara. It is for a lot of people. It's a very good go-to for many. 50% off Dermalogica's Dynamic Skin Recovery Broad Spectrum SPF 50C. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. An SPF of 50 in a day cream. That's fantastic. This will be $36.50. I haven't personally tried it, but I did take a peek at it earlier. It has some pretty darn good reviews. And a really nice formula. I was actually impressed. 50% off Benefits Gimme Brow. This will be $12. I think I'm going to get some more. So this is really and truly what I wear most days. I just grab this, kind of brush it through my brow and go. I'm okay with my brows being minimal most days, and this just kind of gives them a little more oomph and a little more structure. And I think it looks better than if I try to go too hard on my brows every day. Like this is fine if I'm gonna glam it up, but as an everyday look, I actually really like Gimme Brow, and on its own too. But I guess it really depends on what you're going for. If you need a more structured brow on a daily basis, this is probably not enough on its own. It does pair nicely with the brow pencil though. So I might stock up and maybe swing by and get this free Benefit Brow service with any $50 Benefit Cosmetics purchase. I have to buy 5 of these? Maybe not. And then finally, we have 50% off the Lorac Pro Palette. This will be $22. Lorac's formula is very powdery, workable, but powdery. Definitely more of the Anastasia Beverly Hills type of formula. If you like that, you'll probably like this palette. But I own that color scheme enough times personally, so I've never gone for this. I do think if you have a lighter skin tone, you will probably like this more than if you're more medium to deep. And let's real quickly talk about the Ulta deals. We have mascaras this week for $5. I don't know if any of these are good because I've not liked any Ulta mascara that I've received as a free gift with purchase. But now we've talked about that enough that you know why. But the Ultra Slim Brow Pencils, these are fantastic. These are $5. Really, really good dupe. Kind of an in-between of Anastasia's Brow Wiz and Benefits Precisely My Brow. We have bronzers and illuminators for $5, and then finally Body Smarts. This is where my favorite scrubs are. I absolutely love the Energizing Coffee Scrub, one of my absolute favorites in the world. Smells like coffee because it is. It's still pretty expensive for coffee grounds, I'm not gonna lie, but I still like it, you know? My guilty pleasure. It's my guilty pleasure. Starting to think I might have too many of those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below, what are you getting for this final week? Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.